Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 30 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week this week at Simons Middle School. We did hold our third annual Peep War, and we would like to congratulate the Blue Barracuda team as they were the winners this year. We also have several things that are going on this week, and one really important thing to know, parents, is that this week we will be map testing, and map testing does begin on Monday with our reading map assessment. On Tuesday, we will do the math map assessments. Wednesday will be science, and Thursday will be the language assessments. Also on Monday this week, we have an admin team meeting at 2. The SBDM will meet at 4:15 in the SMS library. And volleyball will versus Bath County at 5:30. This will be a 6th through 8th grade games. On Tuesday, there is a board meeting at Central Office at 6:30, and they are also having the succulent craft after school until 5. On Wednesday, there are no other events except for map testing. On Thursday, we will also begin our student exit interviews or BPIs. We will do those as well on Friday. And we will be having our poetry slam competition this week during 8th period on Friday. We have several folks that are going to guest judge. And of course, Friday is Bring It Friday. Over the weekend this week, we do have the band concert that's going to be on Sunday at FCHS. It starts at 3 o'clock. And there is a cruise in for kids. It's for Child Abuse Prevention Month. And it is an activity where several groups in the community are working together. It's going to be held at FCHS. Also upcoming May 14th is the father-daughter dance. It is from 6 to 8 and is open to any girl grades K or pre-K through 8th. So parents, if you are interested in getting tickets for that, you do need to either scan the PayPal code that is in the Cougar Connection, or you can send your money to Simons Middle School. Also, we still have the Ask the Principal link open if you would like to submit a question, maybe you have a comment, or you'd like to give some feedback or just shout out to a teacher or staff member. You can use that QR code that says Scan Me in the Connection, and it will take you to the Ask the Principal link. We do want to take a moment today to recognize our student spotlight, Madeline Wells, also known as Maddie. Madeline is a 7th grader here at Simons Middle School and a member of the Red Jaguar team. She loves to dance. She started her interest in dance at age 6, and she aspires to be on Broadway one day as a future career. Madeline is interested in the arts and participates in our school drama club. She is heavily involved in the Center Dance and Gymnastics Academy in Maysville. She practices 2 or more days each week, year-round, working around her busy school schedule. Her competitive dance season runs from February through July, and she's excited about getting to travel to Orlando this upcoming June for a competition. So congratulations, Madeline, for all your hard work at school and on the dance floor. We're proud of you. Way to bring it. We do want to take a moment to shout out to our Achieve 3000 leaderboard winners for last week. Congratulations on Monday to Jonathan Kahn, Tuesday Lauren Curtis, Wednesday Caleb Humphreys, Thursday Emma Adams, Friday Chloe Leet. And we do want to recognize our 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above with in the 7th grade, Evan Conley with 3 activities and Lauren Curtis with 15 activities. Lauren was our weekly top scorer. And we do have Chloe Leet down here as a top scorer as well, because she was actually our weekly top scorer last week when students were on spring break. So congratulations, Chloe. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.